86th pre-competitive skill test.
The appellate authority has to fix the further period of suspension to review a case on expiry of period was fixed, full stop. It has been decided that suspended persons will not have right of representations of the appellate authority when a period of suspension exceeds 13 months. The appellate authority will consider the representations on merit, full stop. The minds of the young people are full of plays and shows, and if they are so interested in these things, what room is left over in their minds for living, question mark, with them to such subjects? Supply the material for talk more often than any others, full stop. Publicity is a complicated and technical matter, full stop. New paragraph. The Foreign Service as it is constituted today does not have sufficient training publicly, full stop. The estimates committee which went into the demands of the External Affairs Ministry mentioned about the methods of training which have been adopted, but since our foreign service men are not trained in publicity work, and one sees, for example, that a lot of confusion has arisen in the United States over Ambassador Nehru's statement, full stop. I think the External Affairs Ministry might well set up a committee of members of Parliament, full stop. Information about much cases should be sent to departments in the pro forma given above, full stop. The date will be communicated to Secretary after the pro forma is released, full stop. One abroad does not get a real idea of what is happening, full stop. New paragraph. They should send a fortnightly assessment of what is happening in India, written disproportionately, comma, not to highlight something that he has done, but to give an objective assessment of what is going on, full stop. We feel that we have heard these words after they were written, question mark. Do we mean to have only diversification of rural economy, and we going to have rural industrialization only in order to give some help to those who find themselves unemployed during a certain period of the year, question mark? Are we aiming at utilizing local resources and meeting local needs through diversification of rural economy, or have we a more fundamental objective in mind when we are trying to industrialize the rural areas, full stop? इसको जल्दी से बोल के